videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar gained on Thursday following better than expected jobless data, which increased optimism the US would not need further easing, and after renewed Eurozone debt fears increased risk aversion. The greenback ended the day at 1.3342 to the euro and 77.62 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro fell following disappointment at the ECB rate cut and the measures introduced to promote liquidity, and following a continued lack of consensus amongst EU leaders on how to resolve the crisis as the EU summit got underway. The euro ended the day at 103.57 to the yen and 0.8538 to the pound. British pound. The pound fell in step with the euro as global risk appetite faltered. The BOE rate decision resulted in no change in policy, although recent lower than expected economic data weighed. Sterling ended Thursday at 1.5623 to the dollar and 121.27 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen rose after risk aversion grew following an increase in Eurozone debt fears, disappointment at the ECB rate decision, and lower than expected machine orders, as well as a government bailout, also hit stocks. The Japanese currency ended the day at 77.62 to the pound and 103.57 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions at 1.335 with targets at 1.3285 and 1.3255. The upside breakout of 1.337, which will open the way to 1.3425 and 1.3455. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.569 with 1.5555 and 1.5525 in sight. The upside penetration of 1.569, which will call for a rebound towards 1.574 and 1.577. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 77.45 with 77.87 and 78 in sight. The downside penetration of 77.45, which will call for 77.27 and 77.1. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.